Hey friends, it's Eric
And Allison.
with Capture and Carry On.
So recently we took a visit to go see family in North Carolina, and my dad took us on a little day trip to this adorable little town called New Bern. New Bern was founded in 1710. We walked all around town and saw a lot of really beautiful restored colonial homes, a lot of Victorian architecture with those fantastic wraparound porches, a bunch of federal style brick homes. They were all framed by big old oak trees.
And the waterfront was absolutely beautiful. It's a gorgeous, calm day when we were there.
And these homes aren't just beautiful, but they're part of the story of a town that has stood through wars, storms, and cultural revolutions. And right in the heart of it all sits one of the most unexpected historic sites in America.
The exact spot that Pepsi Cola was invented.
That's right. In 1893, a local pharmacist named Caleb Braden was trying to create a drink that was refreshing, energizing, but also hoping it would be medicinal.
And he called it Brad's Drink.
So 5 years later, in 1898, he renamed it Pepsi Cola. That came from the inspiration from the word dyspepsia, which means digestion. So he believed his drink could help settle an upset stomach. Personally, I do know that it can help with a hangover. The Pepsi Museum and Store is the very spot where Braden mixed his early formula. There's vintage signs, a lot of early era branding, memorabilia, and stories from the earliest days of what would become one of the world's biggest brands.
Now, this is not a traditional museum. Think of it more like a piece of living nostalgia, a place where fans, historians, and travelers can look back and see how small-town creation grew into a global icon.
New Bern's charm lies in the unique combination of the beauty of a preserved colonial town alongside stories that shaped both local and national culture. From the stately historic homes to a tiny downtown drugstore where a world-famous drink was born, New Bern offers a reminder that even the biggest ideas can come from the smallest places. So whether you're wandering the historic neighborhoods, exploring the waterfront,
Or sipping a cold Pepsi, where it all began.
New Bern is a place that invites you to slow down, step back in time, and discover the origins of something extraordinary. Thanks for joining us here in New Bern, North Carolina.
The home of Pepsi.
If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along as we continue capturing and carrying on through places big and small all around the world.